Most architects design for beauty. We design for profit. There is a huge difference. I see floor plans every day with massive corridors, oversized lobbies, and weird corners. Every square meter of dead space is £5,000 of lost profit. If you have 10 square meters of corridor, you just burned £50,000. Today, I'm going to show you the GDV maximizer layout. How to turn dead corridors into livable cash. Rule number 1. Smaller units sell for more per square foot. A 37 square meter studio might sell for £200,000, £5,400 per square meter. A 50 square meter one bed might sell for £220,000, £4,400 per square meter. You spent extra money to build the bigger unit, but you didn't get the value back. The sweet spot is the minimum viable product. 37 square meters for a studio, 50 square meters for a one bed, 61 square meters for a two bed. Hit the minimum standard and stop. Anything bigger is charity. Rule number 2. Kill the corridor. Corridors are unrentable, unsellable space. Look at this layout. The entrance is at the end. You have to walk down a long hall to get to the living room. Now look at the fix. We move the entrance to the middle. The corridor is gone. The space is now part of the living room. We just added 5 square meters of usable space without extending the building. That's £25,000 of value created with a pencil. Before we continue, quick apology for the interruption. But this is important. I use a tool called the Development Office Simulator to model every deal before I make an offer. It keeps me from overpaying. And it's the exact same model we teach inside the Academy, complete with full training. I've added a special download link below so you can grab it and start using it yourself. All right, back to the video. Rule number 3, solving the deep plan problem. Commercial buildings are deep. Residential needs windows. How do you get light into the middle? You don't build flats there. You put the bathrooms, the utilities, and the storage in the dark zone. You put the living rooms and bedrooms on the window line, and if you still have a dark spot, you cut a light well. Yes, you lose floor space, but you gain a compliant sellable unit. Better to have 9 sellable units than 10 illegal ones. If this specific lesson on the perfect floor plan was useful to you, hit the like button. It tells me to teach more of this technical detail in future videos. Finally, the furniture test. Architects love to draw suggested furniture. But is that bed actually a double, or is it a miniature architect's bed? Always measure the furniture blocks. A double bed is 1.35 meters by 1.9 meters. If the drawing shows a 1.2 meter bed, it's a lie. Don't build a bedroom that can't fit a bed. You will never sell it. We are currently assembling the next intake for the PCMA-ELITE fractional development team. We are looking for people who want to master this system while we help them build their first commercial conversion. You learn the craft, we guarantee the execution. If you have the capital and the commitment, click the link below and book a mutual fit assessment.